everybody, we are here at the North Menan Butte in Madison County, Idaho, and we are going to try and get ourselves to the top, take some cool footage, and have some fun doing just a quick adventure. Then I'm going to get back to my family because I live here. And I don't live on the mountain, but yeah, so you can see behind me that's kind of just desert out here. It's the high desert, Snake River Plain back there. I'm real close to the confluence of the Henry Fork of the Snake River and the South Fork of the Snake River, which forms the main Snake River. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and I will try and make more of these videos. Click the bell so that you get more notifications from YouTube saying, hey, watch this crazy guy. Alright, you guys are awesome. Oh, it is, feels like February. It's actually April 11th. Temperature is below freezing over here. It's above freezing over in Rexburg, but anyway, not by much. And then yeah, it's I started at 6:50. That's when that drone footage was, and then this is more like ooh, I gotta watch. Anyway, all right, let me see. Yeah, it's 7:10 right now. I've been messing around for way too long trying to get my camera settings right, but that's okay. So otherwise, yeah, it's gonna be pretty. It's a pretty place. This is where I train. So there's a run around Mount St. Helens called the Bigfoot. There's lots of different lengths of it. There's the Bigfoot 100K. This is what I trained for 2 years ago, and this was one of my main places to come and train because this, like Mount St. Helens, is a volcano. And so there's a lot of good scrambly lava rock up here to run on. But anyway, all right. Peace out. Yeah, we're almost to the top right now, and the view's magnificent. And yes, for those of you that are familiar with Angel's Landing and you want to cry sissy, yeah, the buttes are definitely a chain hike if you're a sissy and you want to get up here. So anyway, not teasing. This is probably where that naked Barbie hike was. There's a Facebook thing that went around on the TAR group, the Trail and Ultra Running group. Anyway, it's the naked Barbie hike for sure. And I'm like decked out with, you know, hydration pack and everything else. Those are trekking poles. But to be fair, there's a 50K race that happens here because you can actually, there's 3 different entry and exit points off of the butte, this being one of them. This is the main one, but there's 2 other routes as well. So what I've done in the past is done this cool 3-leaf clover shape of like winding around up and down off of these other routes, and it's a lot of elevation. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm feeling like doing lots and lots of loops today. I'm here really just to try my drone out in some crazy wind, unfortunately. It's bad for the drone. We'll see. It sure is pretty though. So let me show. I'm at the top. Okay. So, alright. This at the top of the rim. So yeah. So if you look, there's a caldera in the middle here. Alright. So if you look, there's this cool caldera rim that I'm standing on. It loops around behind me. Then you go way over. There's some radio towers back there. And then it comes back down, loops back down over there. And then it comes up behind me that way. So that's what we're about to do. There's also a middle connector trail right down in the middle. Comes right down through the center of the caldera. And depending on how my vibe feels, I might try that too. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna get out the drone and try and fly a little bit of pictures. You're still at it, way down. Let's try to lead you down. Let's try to lead you down to the valley between the two. Maybe it's north and south. over. I'm headed back down. All right. Well, I'm probably gonna make my last video here and call it good. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching. And it's just for fun. Like and subscribe. Adventures of a Wilderphile. I'm gonna wander around.